Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to your Trust wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we want to do is head on over to Binance.com, make sure to sign in. Once you've signed in, click onto your account, and then from here you'll be taken to your dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, we want to go ahead and click on Assets and click on Overview. And then from here, we want to click on the transfer button on the top right hand corner of the page. From here, a little transfer window will appear like so. And then we've got to choose the coins. So click on the drop down menu and find Solana. I'm just going to type in Sol. Here it is here. And then choose the amount of Sol you'd like to send. So if I want to send, say, 10 Sol, I'll put in 10. Then from here, we need to go ahead and click on confirm. And now from here, we need to open up our Trust Wallet extension. Here it is here. Now I'm inside my Trust Wallet. And then on the top here, on the main page, we want to go ahead and click on receive. And I'm going to go ahead and proceed anyway. And then token name or contract address. So type in Solana and then copy that address. And then come back to where it is Solana here, or your little transfer window. After you press confirm, it's going to say where would you like to send it, and put in that address and then confirm again. And it's as simple as that.